Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Rocket Mortgage Honest Review. So, Rocket Mortgage here is basically a big online first mortgage lender. Now, the apply on your phone, upload docs, track everything in a dashboard kind of setup. So, the way it usually works is you start an application, then their team verifies the big stuff here like income, assets, debt, and property, entering underwriting, and you keep moving forward as you complete whatever items pop up on your checklist. Now, Rocket's own info says underwriting timelines can vary a lot, but they will put the average in that weeks, not days zone, often around like 30 to 45 days, depending on the situation. Now, what about the review part or the honest review here? Well, basically, this one is kind of mixed and has a really mixed strong side here. So satisfaction at scale plus the usual when it goes wrong, it really goes wrong. So complaints you see with huge lenders. So on Trustpilot here, Rocket Mortgage is sitting in the 4.6 out of 5 rating with about like 39,000 plus reviews, and the breakdown is heavily positive, around like 82% 5-star and 5% like 1-star. Now, the 5 in those reviews is pretty consistent. Now, people talking about staff being patient and explaining the steps clearly, bunch of mentions of the dashboard making the process feel organized and easy to follow. Trustpilot also shows Rocket replies to most negative reviews and typically responds fast, which at least tells you they're paying attention publicly. Now, when you look at the BBB here, though, you see the other side of the story here. Rocket Mortgage is BBB accredited with an A plus rating, but BBB also shows a pretty big complaint volume. Now, 590 total complaints in the last 3 years and 189 closed in the last 12 months, which with categories like service, repair issues, and order issues, and billing issues. Now, if you read the BBB customer review page here, you'll see the kind of frustration people bring up: poor communication, feeling like terms were unclear or charged, and feeling overwhelmed by sales or salesy outreach. Now, Reddit here sounds like the basically the friend telling you what it's really like version of that. Now, there are posts here where people say their loan officer was great and the process moved quickly as long as they stayed on top of the to-do list. Because Rocket won't always babysit you with the perfect notification, and there are also threads where people basically say Rocket's marketing and call center are strong, but the experience can feel less personal than working with a local broker. Like, you might talk to different people and it can feel harder to get one consistent point of contact. Now, you might be wondering, is it actually worth it? Well, if you want a streamlined online process here, and you're the type who's good at uploading docs fast, well, checking the portal and pushing things along, the review pattern suggests Rocket can feel smooth and efficient. Now, if you want a super hands-on one person who knows your file experience, or you're easily stressed by lots of calls, marketing, and plus the BBB and Reddit complaints make it pretty clear that why some people prefer a local lender instead. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.